How's everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, love, it's time again for another Tablescape Sunday. Your host for this Sunday's Tablescape is Cynthia of Cynthia, shesobless. Now, Tablescape Sunday was founded by the lovely Cynthia, shesobless, and Alberta of mysterious Alberta. And Diva's Dynasty was founded by me, Diva, and the group Diva's Dynasty consists of Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, mysterious Alberta, Cynthia, shesobless, me, myself, and DIY, and me, Diva, decorating. Now, Tablescape Sunday is presented by the Diva's Dynasty team. Now, the Diva's Dynasty team comes together every Sunday of the month, every other Sunday of the month, and hosts different themed tablescapes. And we invite other YouTube creators to showcase their tablescapes and help grow their channels and give them some love and support. Now, the title of the video will be Summer and Fall Tablescape 2020. And what Miss Cynthia wants us to do is create a summer or fall tablescape. She wants us to include a flower arrangement in our centerpiece if you're going to do the summer tablescape. And if you're going to do the fall one, she wants us to please include one or more pumpkins. Okay? So this should be quite fun. Okay? So she also says that you can choose your own colors and your own style for your tablescape. So yes, we're going to create either a summer tablescape for 2020 or we're going to either create a fall tablescape. And you know summer is quickly beginning to come to an end and the fall season will be here before we know it. So yeah, let's take out the summer and bring in the fall. Okay? Now, so if you guys want to or you would like to participate in the Sunday's Tablescape, here are the rules and the details. Number one, you must subscribe to the host and the co-host channels, which is YouTube Etiquette, okay? And number two, mention the host and co-host in your video. Number three, please add the host and the co-host links into your description box. Number four, please leave a nice comment in the creators comment section, okay? And number five, use the hashtag, and the hashtag should say hashtag come on fall by summer. Again, that's come on fall and by summer. And number six, the playlist will be on her invite video. Now I think she said she'll have it up like on the 8th, but just make sure you go over and check out her videos, her invite video, so you can know when that playlist will be up. And if you have any trouble adding your video to the playlist, make sure you contact Miss Cynthia. She'll be glad to do it for you. Number 7, the date for it is August 9th, 2020, and the upload time is our usual time, which is 12 a.m. And we ask that you please do not upload your video earlier than that. Just make sure you anytime after 12 a.m. And number 8, she says please use a flower arrangement, summer or fall tablescape. So she's reminding us to make sure you use that flower arrangement in the summer tablescape if that's what you're going to do, or add one or more pumpkins in the fall. And she just wants us to have some fun. Okay, so guys, don't forget, show Diva's Dynasty, all the ladies, some love, and make sure that if you are not a family member of theirs already, make sure that you go over and show them some love and yeah, show them some love, okay? So until next time, guys, until I see you for Tablescape Sunday, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Till next time, loves. Bye-bye.